MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Sea Ray 270 outboard. This boat is powered by a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower motor. It is equipped with the AMS midsection, which is an advanced sound dampening setup. The stern of this boat has plenty of room for water sports, wakeboarding. You could even go kiteboarding off this boat if you wanted to with its speed and grace. The boat has plenty of room for people to sit aft on the transom as well. You'll note the boat has sea deck. The boat has fabric in the color of what we call dune. There is freshwater washdown. The boat carries 20 gallons of fresh water. As you come back into the boat, there's also a carpeting, a seagrass beige carpeting that actually unsnaps and can come out of the boat if you want for easy cleaning. In the hull itself, plenty of room for storage. I mean, for 8, 10, 12 people, everybody can bring a duffel bag on this boat. There's so much room. Above my head is a great retractable bimini, has plenty of shade for everyone. If you're a real true sun lover, you can lay out in the sun, remove the bimini, and put the seating back like this, and you've got yourself a wonderful chaise lounge kind of area here. On the forward port side of this boat, there is a large head. This pump out head also, there is another telescopic one in here for a shower. So you can have a great day out on the water, go onto the boat, change your clothes, and go ashore for dinner. Up on the helm here, we have a 12-inch vessel view display. This has a GPS transducer setup, so you know where you're going, how fast you're going, and how deep the water is. Up in the bow is another large seating area with a teak table. That table is removable, but for a sandwich, little drinks and such, you can go up there and have a nice time. The boat has an electric windlass to make things even easier for you. And back here after the midsection, there is another table that can be attached in here as well if you want to dine back here. So we're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. My name again is Fred Aberley. You can ask for myself or any of our knowledgeable sales staff. We're here to help you have a great day on the water. Please come by and visit us. A Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck 300 horsepower motor. Thank you.